Hey guys, I just wanted to make a quick little video to show you how you may be able to record videos for YouTube, and you may already have the hardware and software necessary. So the first thing you'll need is an Nvidia video card, and if you have that, you also need to download the GeForce Experience. Once you have that, it allows you to open up the overlay on your desktop here, and I'll demonstrate that. There are two things that you want to check within here. The first is the audio section here, and you want to make sure that you have separate both tracks on your audio. That will create a track for your game sounds and then a separate track for your mic, and that makes it really nice to be able to edit it, change your game sounds, make sure they're not too loud and overpowering your mic. So you'll want to have that. The other thing that you'll want to go into and check is on the actual video capture here. So I'm recording at high quality. I'm using the in-game resolution at 60 frames per second and using a bit rate of 50. And that creates pretty good videos. One of the benefits to using this software within Nvidia is you don't have to set up anything else. You don't have to worry about all the extra settings, and you also don't have to worry about software that's going to take up a bunch of your CPU or try to set up a streaming PC or a PC just to record videos. You can do it all within the Nvidia software. It works really well, produces really high quality video, and uses very little CPU and GPU. So I hope these tips help you guys out in creating your own videos, and we look forward to seeing you out there. Thanks.